Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself needing to pull in information from one table to another in Power BI, kind of like a VLOOKUP in Excel, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to perform a VLOOKUP-style lookup in Power by using DAX. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to bring data together from different tables and make your reports so much more powerful and flexible. Ready? Let's jump straight in. Alright, the first thing we'll do is add the VLOOKUP formula in Power BI. Now, if you're coming from Excel, you're probably used to the VLOOKUP function, but in Power BI, we achieve this using the DAX language, usually by combining functions like Lookupvalue. Don't worry though, I've put that formula right in the video description, so you can simply copy and paste it into your own project. But there's a really important thing to remember here. After you paste the formula, you must change the table and column names to match your own data. Always follow the principle behind the lookup. You want to match a value from one table and pull through related information from another. Even if your data looks a little bit different from mine, the core idea stays the same. Now in my example, I already have a measure table set up. If you're new to Power BI, a measure table is just a table where I keep all my calculated fields or measures. It's a great way to keep things organized and tidy, so I highly recommend making one if you haven't already. To add our new lookup measure, just click on your measure table in the Fields pane. This is usually on the right-hand side of the Power BI interface. You'll see the option to create a new measure. Go ahead and click that. Once you've opened up the measure editor, simply copy the DAX formula from the video description and paste it into the formula bar. Take your time here, make sure you double-check those table and column names since they need to match your own data model. This part might take a few moments, especially if it's your first time working with DAX, but it's worth getting it right. If you ever get stuck, just remember, the logic is to find information from a related table based on a common value, just like how a librarian would look up a book title using the card catalog. After pasting in your formula and making any necessary adjustments, click the checkmark or just hit enter to save your new measure. Now comes my favorite part, actually using your new lookup measure. To see it in action, add a card visual to your report by clicking the card icon on the visualizations pane. This creates a big, easy-to-read display for your data. Then simply drag and drop your new measure into the Values field on the card. You'll see the result of your lookup displayed instantly. And that's it. You've just performed a VLOOKUP in Power BI using DAX. It's really all about understanding the relationship between your tables and knowing how to use the right DAX functions to bring in the data you need. If something doesn't look right, double-check that your relationships between tables are set up correctly. That's a common stumbling block, so don't worry if it takes a few tries. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or you want to share your experiences with VLOOKUPs in Power BI, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. Subscribe for more walkthroughs and tips just like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.